High in the Fishlake National Forest in Utah, USA, lives a giant. It is not a mountain nor a glacier. It is a forest called Pando. At first glance, Pando might seem like any other aspen forest. Slender trunks reach skyward, their leaves rustling in the breeze. But Pando is special. It is not a collection of individual trees. Pando is a single organism. Every tree in Pando is genetically identical. They are connected underground by a vast root system. This makes Pando the largest known organism on Earth by mass. Imagine walking through a forest knowing every tree is part of the same living thing. It is a humbling experience. Pando covers over 100 acres. An area larger than Vatican City. It weighs an estimated 6,000 tons, heavier than the Eiffel Tower. This incredible size is a testament to the power of nature. It shows us what can happen when an organism is allowed to grow and thrive for thousands of years. Scientists estimate Pando's age to be between 16,000 and 80,000 years old. This incredible lifespan makes Pando one of the oldest living organisms on Earth. To put it into perspective, Pando began growing around the time humans were first migrating to North America. It has witnessed ice ages come and go. It has survived dramatic changes in climate and environment. Dating a clonal tree like Pando is challenging. Traditional tree ring dating only works on individual stems. Instead, scientists use a combination of techniques. They study the rate of mutation in Pando's DNA. They analyze the growth patterns of the stems, and they compare Pando to other ancient clonal trees around the world. Despite its age, Pando is still growing. New stems are constantly sprouting from the root system. This constant renewal is one of the reasons Pando has survived for so long. It is a remarkable example of resilience and adaptation. One of the most intriguing things about Pando is its genetic uniformity. Every tree in the grove is genetically identical. This means they all share the same DNA. It is like a forest of clones. Scientists believe this uniformity is due to Pando's unique way of reproducing. Instead of producing seeds, Pando primarily reproduces asexually. New stems sprout from the existing root system. This ensures that the genetic makeup of the organism remains consistent. It is like a giant interconnected family. This genetic uniformity has allowed Pando to thrive for millennia. It provides a level of stability and resilience. However, it also makes Pando vulnerable. If a disease or pest attacks one tree, it could potentially spread to the entire grove. Therefore, protecting Pando's genetic diversity is crucial for its long-term survival. Despite its size and resilience, Pando is facing a growing number of threats. Overgrazing by deer and elk is preventing new stems from growing. Disease and insect infestations are weakening the older trees, and climate change is altering the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Conservationists are working hard to protect this ancient giant. They are fencing off areas to reduce grazing pressure. They are experimenting with controlled burns to stimulate new growth. And they are educating the public about the importance of Pando and its conservation. The fate of Pando hangs in the balance. It is a stark reminder that even the largest, oldest organisms are vulnerable to the pressures of the modern world. Protecting Pando is not just about preserving a single tree or a forest. It is about safeguarding a living legend, a symbol of resilience and a vital part of our planet's natural heritage.